Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your uploaded documents from Claude. So let's say I start a new chat and upload a sensitive file. So let's say this file right here. I upload it and I send it, and let's say I would like to remove that. Unfortunately, right now there is no capability of removing a singular message. So instead, what you can do is to delete the entire chat right here. So to do so, simply navigate to your chats tab, which you can find on the left hand side of your screen. Go on over and find the chat you have the document or file in, and delete the entire conversation. So after that, after about 30 days, the file will also be removed from the backend servers of Claude. And there's another thing you might be interested in removing, and that's in project files. So project files act as the knowledge base for a specific project. They act as the references or persistent memory stored across your conversations. And removing that is also pretty straightforward. Simply navigate over to the projects tab where you have your files in. Let's say it's in this project right here, and I want to delete some of these files. Doing so is really easy. All we have to do is mouse over them and click on the remove button that pops up on the top left of each icon, as you can see here. So let's say I also want to remove this file. Boom, all I have to do is click on that small X and it is gone. It is no longer accessible by Claude's chatbot right here. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.